With PDMPublisher, you can export different file types to their own specific folders. In this example, I'll export two extensions, DXF, flat pattern, and PDF. In my Conditions tab, I have already two conditions that target my sheet metal parts. I'll also add the top-level assembly since it is the only file that has a drawing. To do that, I will add a file name equals condition, and then type in part of the assembly name. I will use the asterisk as a wildcard. Let's switch over to the PDMPublisher tab. I will select PDF as my file format and make sure the Export Sheet Metal Flat Pattern option is checked. You don't need to select DXF as an additional file format if you're just exporting flat patterns. Next, I will click Customize Location under the Output section. Here, I will choose where the exported PDF and DXF files will go, each to their own folder. Make sure both PDF and DXF paths are checked. This will override the default export location. Once done, I will click Close, and my changes will get saved automatically. Now I just hit the Publish button, and PDMPublisher takes care of the rest, creating two folders, one for DXF, for my flat patterns in this example, and one for PDF, and placing each file in the right spot. Get the free version of PDMPublisher by going to pdmpublisher.com.